Hi my friends, today I fail on a daily basis of making one video a week. It's losing my 66-day streak. It's really hard to say, but here's what I learned. And if you're new here, I'm Hùng. Currently, I'm a senior consultant working in Saigon, and my channel is mostly focused on tip tutorial, tech productivity that could help you live and go well on the way. And on this video today, let's go with a director view like right here to see what is the thing that need to change right on the way with me. Let's go! The very first thing that I found is that making a product without enough preparation would be exactly a failure. So as I on the video on that day, I just write down some bullet points, and I think that I can be freestyling and I can be adjusting to speak right on the camera this way, mostly as you are a new YouTuber like me, because we are not really good at freestyling because we not have experiences enough on talking with camera like this way. And one way to fix this that I found is to speak like my friend is before that he was an MC, and here's what he learned every day. He go to write down a mind map. He would try to make a clearly speech about that topic. And on the point, he linked a lot of it to another word, another vocabulary. It's really help when you are speaking right on the camera or right on the preparation and you don't know what to say next. The next point is I try to record 3 videos on the last week. Before that, I do only 1 video a week because I think batching could be more saving time to me so I can make more of videos on that week. But unluckily, it's not work like that. Because don't overwhelm yourself. If you are wanting to improve from 1 video a week to 2 videos a week, this could be a change. You can write 2 scripts and try to recording it 1 time. And as you see here, I just bought a new camera. It's Canon M50, and I really get excited about that. But sadly to say, it's really stopped my process a lot. It's really good to record a video. I have a really clear background. You can see right here, really focus on my face. But yeah, it takes a lot of time to learn to do it. And I cannot finish this on just 1 week. Even that, on that week, I spend a lot of time to learn about how to manage the camera, but it's really take time. And you know what? The best camera is the one that you use the most. On my own experience, this is my iPhone 11 Pro. I just working with it for about 1 year until now, and every time I recording with it, I really feel confident. I don't need to adjust. I don't need to learn how to connect it with the MacBook because I have done it a lot of time. It's really good to have me to continue following on my working flow. Yeah, and every review need to have a QA/QC. And on the process of making 1 video a week of mine, I found that a lot of things need to improve. When I'm making a timeline adjust for a video, I just think about I only have enough time to do it on a week, but I don't adjust for a lot of random stuff will come to my week, like my relative got sick and he needs to go to the hospital, or I need to handle a very big event on my current working place, because now as part-time YouTuber, I did not have all of my time to focus on YouTube. So that means I need to balance this. I need to stay with the reality that how much time that I have on each week to procedure and to process the right workload to that week. And one last point is you need to have a checklist with you. Checklist is different with the working process. Checklist is where you list down all the things you need to do before you recording. For example, you need to charge your battery on the camera, review the memory card, test how much light that you need to this video. And then yes, the script that is really well done. The checklist should also including your clothing to wear. Like today you want to wear white, but you have to wear black because the white is on the washing machine now. So this thing, bring the checklist, go to work. And if you're not clearly about how to structure a video or how to make a checklist, I'll share mine on the next video next week on here.